Now, there are appeals tonight to save a programme that uses nostalgia to help people with memory loss caused by conditions like dementia. Therapists use vintage brands and advertisements from bygone years to trigger memories and conversations with patients, but the process has lost its funding. Our consumer editor, Chris Choi, explains.
These products may be well past their sell-by dates, but at this museum they still have power to affect the public.
The chocolate, the sweets, nostalgic, yeah.
In a nice way?
Oh yes, of course, yeah.
Lots and lots of memories, especially with my dad, because he had a tin for everything.
Tell him about the honey, Mummy.
The ability of old products to stir memories and emotions led to a remarkable national scheme. Around 200,000 people struggling with memory loss have been helped by brands like this so far.
Sense of smell, or perhaps the sound that the wrapper makes, you know, when you're unwrapping something. These are very, very evocative.
This is what's known as a reminiscence session, where participants soon find recollections going back decades.
Ordinary tea before they had tea bags.
I remember my mother and my grandmother using this to bathe us and also to wash the clothes.
Carefully designed to stick in our minds, these brands have been used to prompt therapeutic nostalgia across the UK. This is what's known as a reminiscence box. Around 20,000 have been sent out to care homes and other groups. Now, if you remember any of these old favourites, it's likely to make you feel just a bit vintage. But what else does it make you feel?
So we've used some of these in reminiscence sessions.
A trip down memory lane can be good for your mental health, but this project itself could become a thing of the past. Let's not beat around the bush. The funding for this project has ended. How do you feel about that?
A lot of funding has been withdrawn from older people's services, so we are finding it more difficult to get, but it's incredibly important work, and I really hope that we can keep it going. With no funding to continue this project, they're left fighting to disprove the old adage that there's no future in nostalgia. Chris Choi, ITV News.